Cooking with kids is always an experience. I've got mine here with me today, Lander, making a recipe that he came up with all by himself. All right, Lander has got his special recipe made with a lot of the ingredients that I think are good for what we need to be eating. So, buddy, why don't you tell them about the special trail mix that you came up with? We got peely nuts. We'll pour them in your bowl. Show them how we make it.
In here first.
Okay. Peely nuts are really high in fat. It's a good snack. A lot of calories I could get in him while he was undergoing chemo and not wanting to eat a whole lot. All right, so there's the peely nuts. All right, what do you put in there next? Dirty dust. He loves dirty dust. It's kind of vinegary, but not spicy. What we got? All right, KB2. It's just
some of this, whatever it is.
the plum vinegar.
Oh yeah, plum.
You put a lot more than that.
Perfect.
Perfect, okay.
Yeah.
Gotta get a little bit of the brain octane. You like to crunch it up? This is a salty-ish, good snack. What else would go with it? Could be some other type of nuts, like a baruca nut that we've also got. Oh, if that just doesn't work for your recipe. All right. Do you love it? All right, so, and we put the brain octane in there also. It is a derivative of an MCT oil, so it's a certain type of MCT oil. It's very distilled. It is an expensive product, but really, really good as far as giving you energy straight for like the brain. So that's why it's called brain octane. It's very easily used by the body. So we want to get the fats, those oils in Lander. The seasoning had this one specially made. It has no sugar in it. It's a good way to get flavor without the bad stuff I don't want him to have. The plum vinegar, it's a fermented vinegar, really good for the gut. And then the dirty dust, again, another one that's good for the flavor. And as you can see, he absolutely loves it. It's a great way for us to just get the calories in him without having a whole lot of volume with the food. I hope this gives you some ideas for a healthy snack, healthy option, and I really appreciate you watching, and thanks.
That's good.